The Lumex RA915M portable atomic absorption spectrometer, referred to in this video as a Lumex, is an instrument that calculates the concentration of mercury vapor in the surrounding air. This video will highlight the specific use of the Lumex paired with a GPS unit in Zaruma and Portobelo, Ecuador. With the Lumex's portability, accuracy, and precision, users were able to conduct real-time environmental monitoring with respect to airborne mercury concentrations in these two cities. With its 12-hour portable battery life and ability to calculate mercury concentrations from 5 to 50,000 nanograms per meter cubed, the Lumex allows users to collect real-time mercury contamination data in their artisanal gold mining communities. The Lumex has on-stream and data logger modes for detecting mercury in the air. The on-stream mode allows the Lumex to calculate mercury concentrations without storing data onto the instrument's onboard computer. The data logger mode allows the Lumex to compile and store the mercury concentrations at pre-selected time increments on the onboard computer. Although robust, the Lumex must be handled with great care while in the field, because exceeding 50,000 nanograms per meter cubed of mercury can contaminate this instrument. When the Lumex is introduced to a highly contaminated area, an alarm will sound, alerting the user to move to an area with lower mercury concentrations. This ensures that the Lumex detector is not saturated. In order to make sure the Lumex is compiling accurate data, the user must avoid all surface-to-surface contact with the opening of the intake tube and must change the filter regularly. If the tube were to come into contact with a mercury-contaminated surface, it would be contaminated and produce false readings. As the Lumex collects data from the air, it would be constantly reading the air flowing through the contaminated tube, artificially increasing the concentration of mercury in the air. The GPS unit is able to track and highlight routes taken by the user over time. When the Lumex and GPS times are synced, a map can be constructed with the mercury readings at geographical locations at various times during the day. The GPS camera takes photographs of points of interest like schools, parks, hospitals, and restaurants and immediately marks them with their location. This allows the user to construct a map not only containing mercury hotspots, but containing information relevant to the people that mercury contamination affects. To conclude, maps were made with data collected using the Lumex and GPS. These maps contain the distribution of mercury in the air throughout the cities. These maps were presented to the communities of Zaruma and Portobelo, Ecuador, in order for citizens to realize which areas they should avoid and just how hazardous their living area is.